Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Tabipun. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Maulidia and I am from 12th grade 8. Okay, today I'm going to explain about narrative text. Start from the definition, the purpose, types of narrative text, generic structure, language feature, and also the example for the narrative text itself. Okay, let's get started. So what is narrative text? Narrative text is actually a text that tells an imaginary story or a modified real life story that happened in the past. So basically, narrative text is a text that tells a fictional story. Okay, so narrative text have a purpose. The purpose of narrative text is that to amuse or to entertain the readers. There are many types of narrative text. Let's look at some example. Firstly, we have fairy tales, stories about magical creature or spell. For example, it's like Cinderella and Sleeping Beauty. And secondly, we have mystery, a story about solving problems or a secret. For example, like Detective Conan and also Sherlock Holmes. And next one we have horror. It's a story that tells scary things or a ghost. For example, like Kuntilanak and Annabelle. Next one we have adventure is a story that tells about a journey. For example, like Dora the Explorer and Petualangan Sherina. And 5, we have romance story. It's a story about love. For example, like Rangga dan Cinta and also Romeo and Juliet. And next one, we have science fiction. Stories about science and technology that is beyond in reality. For example, like The Avenger and maybe Interstellar. And next one, we have fable. Story where the character are animals. For example, like sea Kancil. And the last one, we have folklore. Now, folklore divide into 3. First one is legend. Secondly, myth, and thirdly is folktale. So what is the difference among these 3? Okay, first one is legend. Legend is a story that tells about origin of a place or a thing. It's usually believed from a locals. For example, like Malin Kundang and Danau Toba. And next one, we have myth. Myth is story that tells about supernatural events, gods, or spirit. For example, like Jakataru. Next one, we have folktale. Folktale is a story that passed down from generation to generation. For example, Timun Mas. So that is the difference among these 3. Next, we will talk about the generic structure of narrative text. Narrative text have 3 main parts. Firstly, orientation. This part introduces the setting, the character, and also the situation of the story. The setting includes time, when it happens, place, where it happens, and also the atmosphere. It is the feeling or the mood. And secondly, we have complication. It is when the problem or the conflict happens. It includes rising action, climax, and also falling action. Okay, next one and the last one, we have resolution. This is the ending of the story, or where the part when the problem or the conflict gets solved. Okay, the ending can be sad ending, happy ending, or cliffhanger. So that's it. Okay, we have talked about the definition of narrative text, the purpose of narrative text, the types of narrative text and also the generic structure of narrative text. Next, we will talk about the language feature of narrative text. So, narrative texts have some special language feature. Let's look at them by one. Firstly, narrative text is using past tense because a narrative text is a text that tell stories that happen in the past, so yeah, they're using past tense. And secondly, narrative text is using action verb. Thirdly, narrative text is using reported speech. Reported speech is to show what people say. Reported speech is divided into two, direct speech and the indirect speech. And then narrative text using connector and conjunctions to connect event in the story. For example, like then, after that, finally, suddenly, so like that. And narrative text is also using adjective and adverb. It is to describe people, animal, or place. For example, like beautiful, kind, brave, wise, like that. And the last one, narrative text is using noun phrase. So that is the language feature of narrative text. We have talked about the definition, the purpose, the types of narrative text, the generic structure, and also the language feature. And now I will give you the example of narrative text. Like this. So that's all about narrative text, text that tells about a fictional story or imaginary story that happened in the past, and the purpose is to entertain or to amuse the reader or listener. So I hope you guys understand the video and hope you guys can make your own narrative story. Thank you for watching. Okay, goodbye.